The Lansing Fire Department is committed to providing world-class, all-hazards emergency services with a significant degree of professionalism, pride, excellence, and integrity.
We are one of the top fire departments in the state and in the country. We have appropriate certifications and trainings that make our firefighters some of the best in the world. Lansing's time is now. I firmly believe that everything we're doing to grow our city, whether it's development, whether it's services, whether it's proactive public safety, whether it's anything that we provide for our citizens, our residents, our visitors, we're doing it now and we're seeing incredible growth in our cities.
Right now we're focused on standardization and modernization of our organization. And this began with the development of our strategic plan that we partnered with the Center for Public Safety Excellence. We provided a stable platform for all policies and procedures so that our members were very, very clear on the rules of engagement, especially our supervisors.
Coming into the organization from the outside, we quickly noticed that the organization needed a direction.
Prior to 2022, we had 5 fire chiefs over the previous 5 years. That inconsistency has proven to be significantly problematic for any public safety organization. And here in Lansing, it really caused a lot of confusion, uncertainty, anxiousness within our members, because every year over the course of those 5 years, we had a new leader with a new vision, a new direction.
Coming into the organization, what we found was that our organization was led by memo, and it depended on which chief was inside the organization at the time. We quickly noticed that we needed to have all of our policies in one place where everybody could see them and we could review these policies on an annual basis.
So the continuity of leadership has been very, very important, because now our firefighters and our staff know that we are setting up the foundation that will ensure, regardless of the face of the wheel, that they know what the expectations are within the organization. This has had a direct correlation on service delivery to the community. As fire chief, I've focused a lot of my attention on our internal customer service. There's a correlation between internal customer service and what that looks like out in the community. So we've focused some attention on mental health, which in turn has a direct effect on how well our members serve this community.
We want to make sure we are helping with mental health, because our firefighters and EMTs rush into terrible situations, whether fires or emergencies where they see people that are hurt. We provide the resources needed to support. We were also hiring more firefighters. We just put 2 more into our budget because we want to make sure that the existing firefighters are not being burned out and they have support. They don't have to do significant overtime, so they have time to heal their bodies and their minds.
Lansing is the capital of the state of Michigan. We want to be the preferred employer of choice within public safety, fire service, and emergency management within that leadership realm. And so we are working diligently to ensure a lot of those pieces are in place. And regardless of who sits in the fire chief's office, they will have the foundational pieces to continue the work.
We're moving towards standardizing our processes. We're modernizing what we do and how we do it. And so that's all going to help us with tracking and documentation. Our expected outcome of our community risk assessments are a decrease in the number of fatalities and injuries as it relates to fire. We take every opportunity here at the Lansing Fire Department to get out in the community. We just show up. We do pop-up CPR just on the street. You know, we just show up and say, hey, have you ever done hands-only CPR? And we start teaching. The thing about the community and fire departments is that they only see us when there's an emergency. That doesn't build trust. They know that we're there if they need us, but building trust happens before the fire.
The other goal we're working on is community risk reduction, installing smoke detectors in people's homes. And by doing that, that makes my job easier, because we're hoping now that people have working smoke detectors in their home so they can call 911 earlier or detect if anything is going on in their home earlier than what they maybe would if they didn't have a smoke detector. All these things bring our goals together to where we can all work together, keep the community safe, and make sure us as firefighters are safe when we're responding.
We believe in horizontal. We believe in everybody working together, breaking down silos instead of each person or each department having their own individual focus. We want everybody working together.
Our patch states pride, professionalism, excellence, and transparency. That is a goal that we strive to live for every day here at Lansing Fire Department.
We are really headed in a great direction right now, and as our mayor likes to proudly proclaim, Lansing's time is now, and I'm proud to state that our fire department is marching in lockstep with that initiative.